Hello children, I am Ipshita Gangopadhyay, teacher from Trinity International School. Today we are going to start with chapter number 1 exercises, numbers from 1 to 9. So just take out your pencil and we'll start writing our exercise. We'll go to page number 1 and we'll start writing. First number 1, O-N-E 1, and you have to fill up the empty boxes. So write down 1, trace it, and then write number 1 in all the empty boxes up to here. Write fast. Then number 2. Trace it with your pencil and write it in the boxes. All the empty boxes should be filled up. Turn to next page and we will have the next number 3. Again trace 3. Then fill all the empty boxes with the number 3 up to here. Next number 4. Trace the number 4. Again fill up the boxes. Next number 5. Trace it. Trace the number 5 and fill all the empty boxes. Next page, page number 3, you have to write number 6. Again trace the number 6 and fill up all the empty boxes. Going for number 7, trace it, write number 7 in all the boxes. Number 8, trace the number 8 and fill all the empty boxes. Go for page number 4 and you can see number 9. So again trace number 9 and fill all the boxes with the number 9 up to here. Okay. Now next thing what we are going to know is about the number names. You have already learned in your previous classes the spellings, the number names, that is 1, O-N-E 1, 2, T-W-O 2, 3, T-H-R-E-E 3, 4, F-O-U-R 4, 5, F-I-V-E 5, 6, S-I-X 6, 7, S-E-V-E-N 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T 8, 9, N-I-N-E 9. So now we will be going to the exercise to count the animals, whatever is given, animals, birds, and then match it with the number names. So count and match the pictures with the number name is our exercise. Okay, now go for the picture of rabbits. You can see how many rabbits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So match it with the number name 4. Draw a straight line to number 4. F-O-U-R, 4. So 4 rabbits are there. Okay, now go for the fishes. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fishes. So draw a straight line to match with the number name F-I-V-E, 5. Can you see? Okay. Now go for the third picture of butterflies. So you can count the butterflies, and they are 8 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 butterflies are there. So draw a straight line to the number name 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8, and draw the straight line. So you will have 8 butterflies. Now go for the birdies. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 birdies are there. So you have S-E-V-E-N, 7 over here. So draw a straight line and match it with number name 7. Can you see? 7. Okay. Now go to your right hand side pictures. You can see the insects. They are 1 and 2 insects are there. So already it has been given with a red line, that is TWO2. It is matched with 2. So you don't have to do anything for this. Now go for the dogs. 1, 2, 3 dogs are there. So go for THREE, 3. Can you see 3 over here? Okay. Now just match 3 dogs with number name 3. THREE, 3. Now go for the flies. Can you see the picture of flies? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flies are there. So just match it with SIX, 6. Can you see? Okay. Now draw a straight line and match with the 6, number name 6. Okay. Now the last picture is of frogs. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 frogs. So just go for number name 9 and match it. So we'll turn the next page, page number 5, and you can see a picture of sea animals. So many sea animals are there. You have to just tell how many sea animals are there, and you have to write the number name. So first one, you can see a shark, isn't it? A shark picture is given to you. So you have to go to the main picture and you have to see how many sharks are there. So you can see only one shark is there. So it is written 1, only 1. So you don't have to do anything in this box. Okay. Now go for the next picture. That is picture of starfish. Can you see starfish? So just count how many starfishes are there. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 starfishes are there. So write number 8 and the number name EIGHT, 8. Okay. Now go for the next picture. Picture of tortoise. Can you see this? Okay. Now we will just go for the counting of tortoise. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tortoise. So write down 4 and the number name F-O-U-R, 4. Then go for the next picture. Small fishes. So count again the small fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 fishes. So we will write 6 and the number name is SIX, 6. Now go for octopus. Octopus, again to your main picture, and you can see 1, 2 and 3 octopus. So you have to write 3 and the number name THREE, 3. Go for the next picture of dolphin. So again to your main picture, you can see 1, 2. 2 dolphins are there. So write 2. TWO, 2. Now go for the next picture. That is the picture of seahorse. So again you have to count the number of seahorse. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seahorses are there. So write down 7 and in the next box the number name SEVEN, 7. Okay. Now go for the last picture of crab. Now just count how many crabs are there. So you can get crabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crabs are there. So these crabs you have to write here 5 and then FIVE, 5. Next page number 7. You can see that monkeys are hanging on a tree. So I think you have already learned the concept of 0. 0 means nothing. Okay, 0 means nothing. So nothing is used in English, but in mathematics we use 0. Okay, so now you can see 2 monkeys are hanging. So you have written down 2 and then monkeys jump away. How many monkeys jumped away? 2 monkeys jumped away. So here you can see no monkeys are there. So you have left, monkeys left is 0. So no monkeys are there. So you have written 0 over here. So now go for the next picture. You can see the picture of a string having beads. Now see, red bead, blue bead and yellow bead. So here how many beads are there? We have to write 3. Then how many beads roll away? 3 rolled away. So how many is remaining? Beads left. Here you can see here 0 beads are remaining. So we have written here 0. Now go for the next picture. You can see apples on a plate. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples in a plate. So you have written here 6. Now apples eaten. How many apples you have eaten is 6. And here no apples are left. So here if you eat 6 apples, then only you will get 0. So you have written here 6. All the apples are eaten. So 6, here in this box 6 and here apples left 0. Now go for the next picture of butterflies. You can see 4 butterflies are there. So how many butterflies flew away? 4 butterflies flew away. Means 4 were there and 4 flew away. So how many are left? Nothing is left. No butterflies are left. So you have to write here 0. Now you can go for the next picture. Glasses of juice. So how many glasses are there? There are 5 glasses of juice. So you have written here 5. Then all the glasses of juice were drunk. So you have to write here 5 and then no glasses are left, that is 0. Okay, go for next page, page number 8. You have been given with a brain work, so you have to just write the missing alphabets in the number names. So here first one, T, you have to write here W and then O, so it becomes TWO2. Next one is FO, in the blank you are going to write U and then R, so FOUR4. Then the next one is FIV, in the blank you are going to write E, so you will get FIV5. For D, SEV blank and then N, you are going to write SEVEN. Next one, EIGHT, so that will become your 8. Then NINE, 9. TEN, 10. THREE, then ZERO, 0. Okay, then go for your next. Now you can see next page, page number 9. So you have to just see the pictures and write which one is bigger and smaller. So you can see a mummy cow and this is the calf. So mummy cow is bigger than the calf. Now the next picture is of ball. So cricket ball is smaller, SMALLER, smaller than football. Next picture, Papa lion is bigger, BIGGER, bigger than the cub. Next picture, Mama deer is bigger than the fawn. Okay, now go for the next exercise, and that is you have to circle the smaller numbers. So here in the first pair you can see 6 and 3. So which one is smaller? 3 is smaller. So just put a circle around 3. Then go for B1. The pair is 4 and 7. Circle 4 because it is smaller than 7. Go for C. 9, 5. 5 is smaller, so circle number 5. D. 2 and 8. 2 is smaller, circle number 2. Then 5 and 3, circle number 3. Next one, 1 and 2, circle number 1. Then 3 and 2, circle number 2. 8 and 6, circle number 6. 4 and 1, circle number 1. And the next exercise is circle the bigger numbers. Now out of the pair you have to circle the bigger numbers. So here 9 and 3. So circle 9. Circle 7. From 6 and 4, circle 6. 5 and 8, circle 8. 3 and 1, circle 3. 7 and 9, circle 9. 6 and 7, circle 7. 5 and 2, put circle around 5. 8 and 4, put circle around 8. Next, page number 10, you have the pictures which is from small to big. So you have to just see the sizes and you have to mark the numbers accordingly. So the smallest one, that is first picture, you have been shown with 3 monkeys. So smallest monkey is this one. So they have put the number 1 over here. Okay. Then slightly bigger goes for number 2, and the big one goes for number 3. So whichever picture is bigger, you have to mark it 3 and cross it. Okay. So go for the next picture of pencil. So again, out of this pencil, 3 pencils, this one is the smallest one. So put 1 below it, and then put 2 below this pencil, and the biggest one is this pencil. So we have put 3 and then just cross it. Now go for the third one, third picture, crocodile. So you can see this one is the smallest. So put 1. This is the bigger one. So 2, and this is the biggest one. So put 3 and cross it. Can you see the cross mark? Just cross it with your pencil. Okay. Now go for the next one. We are going for page number 11 now. So here you have more or less concept. Okay. So you can see the exercise over here. So here in the exercise you have been shown with the fishes. This side you have 2 fishes. This side you have 5 fishes. And so 2 is less than 5. That is why it is written in a mathematical symbol, that is 2 is less than 5. So you have less than like this. You can see the open mouth of the crocodile. Can you see? This is the less than. You can see here also less than. And in the second picture you can have 8 fishes. Here you have 6 fishes. So 8 is more than 6, or you can write here like this. 8 is more than 6. 8 is open mouth of crocodile like this. Okay. 7, like 7 you have to write this, more than. Can you see here? Yes. So this is your more or less. Now if you go for this picture of squirrel, you can see 1 squirrel. So write in the box below 1. You can see here 3 squirrels. So you write in the box 3. Then you have to compare. Now 1 is what? 1 is less than 3. So you have to write 1 is less to 3. 1 is less. So in the box you are going to write less. And in the below box you are going to write the sign. That is like this, less. Go for the next page. That is page number 12. You can see the birds. Can you see the birds over here? Both the boxes. So count the number of birds. So you will get here 8 birds. So write down 8 over here in the box. And here you can see 6 birds are there. So write 6. And this 8 is more. It is more. So write M-O-R-E, more in the box. And then you are going to write the sign, greater than or more than. So write the sign like this. Next one, you have the snakes. So count the snakes. You will get 5 snakes. Write down the number 5. And then this side, if you count, you will get 7 snakes. And this 5 is less to 7. So write down in the box less, L-E-S-S, less, and then the sign. Okay. Now you have another brain work. So in the brain work, you have to color the objects. Now you can see here written color 4. So just color 4 birds. See how I have colored? 1, 2, 3, 4. So take out your crayons and color it. 4. And then here in this picture you have been given color 3. So color it 3 birds. Okay. Now whatever you have colored, now 4 is what? 4 is more than 3. So you are going to write 4 is more than 3. Okay. Now in this next picture you have fishes. So here you have been given color 2. So just color 2 fishes. And here color 5 fishes. So color 5 fishes. Okay. Now can you see here 2 and 5. So which one is smaller? Which one is bigger? 2 is smaller. So 2 is less than 5. So put the sign less. Okay. Now go for the next exercise. You have 3 greater than 2. So 3 is more to 2. So you are going to put this type of sign. Second one is 6 is less than 7. So we have put less sign. 1 is less than 4. So we have put less sign. Here 5 is more than 1. So we have put greater sign. Here 9 is less than 8. 9 is more than 8. So we have put greater sign. 9 is more than 8. So we have put greater sign. 2 is less than 5. So we have put less sign. 4 is greater than 3. So we have put greater sign. 7 is more than 6. We have put more greater sign. 8 is less than 9. So we have put less sign. Now we will go for the concept of equal. Means you have to observe whether the two boxes are having equal number or not. So can you see this ladybirds? Okay. So in group A you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ladybirds are there. Here also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in group A and group B both have 6 ladybirds each. So that means group A is equal to group. In this exercise we will be just observe that whether the groups have equal number or not. Now you can see here tortoise. So here you can see how many tortoise are there. 1, 2, 3 tortoise. And this side also you will get 3 tortoise. That means 3 is equal to 3. And your sign is like this. Equal sign. Okay. Now this side you will have, you can see here the balls. So these are how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this side you will see 1, 2, 3, 4. So the left side is not equal to the right side. So you have to write not equal and the sign will be like this. Put equal and then cut that. So that will be not equal to. So this is equal sign. This is not equal sign. So we'll just go for the exercise and just see whether the boxes which are given have same number of chocolates or not. So if you go for this, how many chocolates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5 chocolates. Okay. Now here how many chocolates are there? Here 2 chocolates. So whether the boxes are having same number of chocolates or not? No, they are not having same number. So you have to write not equal. Not equal, and you are going to put the sign like this. 5 is not equal to 2. Now go for this flowers. You can see box is having 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers. So write down 4 down, and then go for this box. We will say again 4 flowers. So what is your concept? That this box, left side box have 4 flowers and right side box is also having 4 flowers. So that means these two boxes is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 4. So you have to put the sign like this. Okay. Again, go for page number 14. Again, you have to count the number of leaves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves are there. Here in this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 leaves are there. So whether it is equal or not, it is not equal. So write down not equal and put the sign like this. Okay. Now go for the next one. Number of apples. So count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples are there. And in this boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples again. So you can see the left side box and the right side box both are having same number of apples. So you have to write that 8 is equal to 8 and put the sign in the box below. Okay. Now go for the last exercise, that is the put the correct sign greater, less or equal. That is put the correct sign more, less or equal. You can say more, greater also. Okay. So here you have to again compare the numbers and you have to put the signs. So 3 and 5. So whether 3 is more or less than 5. So you can see 3 is less than 5. So put the sign of less. Now go for B. 2 and 1. 2 is more than 1. So put the sign like this. Now 6 is more than 3. Okay. Then 7 and 7. That means 7 is equal to 7. Okay. Now 5 and 8. So 5 is less than 8. So put it. Then 9 is more than 2. So put the signs like this. Now go for page number 15. This is before numbers. So before numbers. So in the first box, you have how many kites? 1, 2, 3, 4 kites are there. Okay. So here what you have to do is, you have been given with 2 boxes below. So the picture has how many kites? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number 4 you are going to write in the second box. In the second box, not in the first one. Write the number 4 in the second box. Okay. Now go for this picture. You can see how many umbrellas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again 6 umbrellas are there. So put this number 6 in the second box, not in the first one, the second box. Okay. Now go for the cars. There are 1, 2 cars. Again write the number in the second box. Then you have the tortoise. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tortoise. So write it in the second box. Can you see? All the picture, whatever is having, we have counted it and we have wrote the number in the second box. First box is empty. Okay. Now what you have going to do is you have to write the before number. So here before 4 what comes? Before 4 3 comes, isn't it? So you are going to write 3 in the first box. Now you have 6, so before number is 5. You have 2, before number is 1. You have 5, before number is 4. So write down, and then again you are going to write the before numbers in these boxes. So 7 comes after 6. That means here you are going to write 6. So number before 7 is 6. The number before 2 is 1. Number before 8 is 7. Number before 3 is 2. Number before 9 is 8. Number before 4 is 3. So write down. Okay. Now you can see the next exercise, which are having again the pictures of pencils. So how many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pencils are there. Now you have to be careful. In this, what you are going to write is whatever number of pictures are there, you are going to write in the first box. In this we have written the numbers in the second box, but here you are going to write it in the first box, and you are going to write the after number. Okay, so again count the number of pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write it in the first box. See where I have written number 6? In the first box. Again go for number of mobiles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mobiles. Write in the first box. Write in the first box. Number of buddies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buddies. Write in the first box the number 7. And you have the laptop. So write 1 laptop. So you have 1 laptop here. Now we will go for the second boxes. So after number of 6 is 7. After number of 4 is 5. After number of 7 is 8. After number of 1 is 2. So write down these all. Turn your page and you will again see the exercise which shows that you are going to write the number just after the number whatever is given. So after number again, after 2 comes 3, after 5 comes 6, after 8 comes 9, after 6 comes 7, after 4 comes 5, after 3 comes 4. Okay. Now you are given with another exercise where you are going to write the numbers in between the two numbers. So you have been given with two numbers, this 3 and 5, and you have to write the between numbers. Okay, and whatever between numbers you are going to write, you have to color these pictures accordingly. So now here you can see that 3 and 5 is given to you. Between number is 4. So we have written 4 and we have colored 4 balls. Can you see? So whatever number comes in the boxes, you are going to color it. Whatever number comes in the boxes, you are going to color it. Okay. So here between number 7 and 9 is 8. Okay, so you are going to color 8 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So color it with your crayon. Now, next is 2 and 4. Between number is 3. So again you are going to color the number 3. So you are going to color 3 kites. Whatever number comes in between, you are going to color it. Okay. So whatever number you are writing in the box, you are going to color the pictures accordingly. Now 6 and 8, between number is 7. So again you are going to color how many apples? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you are going to color 7 apples and color it with your crayons. Then next is E, 1 and 3. Between 1 and 3, which number comes? 2. So write 2. So color 2 balloons. Color 2 balloons. Now here again between 4 and 6 you have 5. Number 5. Color 5 flowers. 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers. Color it. Okay. Now we are going for increasing order and decreasing order. Okay, increasing means smaller to bigger. Small number comes first and the largest one comes last. Okay, so you have been given a arrangement, that is 4, 1, 2, 3. Out of these 4 numbers, the smallest number is 1. So you are going to write 1, and then out of this 2, 3 and 4, remaining 2, 3 and 4, you have smallest 2. So you are going to write smallest 2. Then only 3 and 4 is remaining. So you are going to write first 3 and then 4. So you can see now 1, 2, 3, 4. This is in increasing order. Small number to big number, isn't it? Small number to big number. Now we'll go for the next order. So you have 4 numbers, 6, 1, 8, 7. Now out of this, smallest one is 1. So write the smaller number 1. Then small number you have to you have written already small number. So only what is remaining is 6, 8, 7. 6, 8, 7. Now out of 6, 8, 7, which one is smaller? 6. So write first 6. Now these 2 numbers gone. Now only 8 and 7 are remaining. So out of this, which one is small? 7 is small. So you are going to write small. Now what is left? What is remaining is 8. So you have to write 8. Now you can see all the 4 numbers are arranged in increasing order. Now you can go for the next one, that is 2, 9, 5, 3. Out of this, smallest number is 2. Then you have 9, 5, 3. Out of this, 3 is the smallest. So write that. Now 3 and 2 gone. Now you have only 9 and 5. So out of 9 and 5, which one is smaller? 5. So you are going to write 5 and the last number remaining is 9. Okay. Now go for the next one, 3, 7, 2, 4. Here also you are going to write first number 2. Then only 3, 7, 4 is remaining. So from 3, 7, 4, 3 is the smallest one. Then 4 and then 7. Next one, you have small number as 1, then you have 4, then you have 6 and then 7. The next one, you have 3, 6, 8, 9. Okay, so whatever number you are writing in the box, you should cancel it off, or you should hide it, and then you can go for the other number whatever is remaining, so that will be easy for you. Okay, now we'll go for the decreased number. Okay, so decreasing number means you are going to write the big number first, and then your small number will be in the last box. Okay, so here you have been given with number 42191. So out of this, the biggest number is 9. So hide this number, and then again from 4 to 1 find out which number is the bigger one. You can see 4 is the bigger one. Then just hide 4 and 9, and you can see only 2 and 1 is remaining. So out of 2 and 1, bigger number is 2. So write down 2, and the last number remaining is 1. So like that, you have to be very careful in writing the decreasing and increasing order. So again for this one, the bigger number is 8, and then the next number will be 5, next is 3, and next is 1. Here biggest number is 7, then your 6, then 4, then 2. Here also the biggest number is 8, 6, 4, 1. Here also 9, 6, 5, 2. Okay, so in increasing order and in decreasing order, you have to be very careful. In increasing order, you are going to write the numbers from small to big, and in decreasing order, you are going to write the numbers from big to small. Okay, now here you are going to write the missing numbers. So here what comes before 2 is 1, what comes after 2 is 3, what comes after 3, 4, what comes after 4, 5, then what comes after 5 is 6, then after 6 is 7, then here's after 6, here 4. So you have to just be careful. Now 6 is there, here 4 is there, so what will be there? That means before number of 4 is 5, and before number of 5 is 6. Okay, so here also what you are going to write? These are before numbers. So here you are going to write 3, 2, 1. Okay, now again here you can see 3. So write down 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so like this you are going to write the numbers. So write down fast. Now you are going to write the number names. 3, what is the number name? 3, like this you are going to write. For next one, 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Next is 5, F-I-V-E, 5. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Okay, now go for this. Mama kangaroo is bigger or smaller? Bigger. Mama kangaroo is bigger than baby kangaroo. Here also, which tree is bigger? This tree is dash then that tree. So which one is smaller, which one is bigger? So you can see this one is smaller and this one is bigger. So this tree is smaller than that tree. Okay, now you can see rhinoceros. So Papa Rhino is bigger than baby rhino. Now here pineapple. This pineapple is smaller than that pineapple. Okay. Now fill in the empty boxes. Now you can see how many bananas are there. You can see 1, 2, 3 bananas in the plate and 1 in the hand of the boy. So you have total 4 bananas. Now in this picture what you can see is there are no bananas. So how many the boy has eaten? The boy has eaten all the 4 bananas. So here no bananas are remaining. So it is written as bananas left 0. Okay. Now again in this picture you can see that 3 glasses of milk are there. 1, 2, 3 glasses. 2 are on the plate and 1 is in the hand. So you can see 3 glasses of milk, and then here you can see no glasses are left. So that means the boy has drunk all the 3 glasses of milk. So here you are going to write 0 glasses are left. Can you see? Okay. Now how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples are there. So 6 apples, 6 are already eaten. So apples left is 0. Okay. Now put the sign again, put the correct sign. More than, less than or equal to. 1 is less than 5, 4 is more than 3, 6 is less than 9, 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Now in increasing and decreasing order, from small to small number to big number you have to go. Okay, small number to big number. So whatever is small is here. You can see 1 is small, then 3, then 4, then 7. Here 2, 4, 6, 8. Here 2, 3, 5, 9. Okay, can you see? Then here the last exercise is you are going to write the decreasing order. Decreasing means small, from big number to small number. Okay, big number to small number. So out of this numbers, big is 3, 7, 3, 1, 4. So it's big number is 7, then 4, then 3, then 1. Then out of these 4 numbers, big number is 8, 6, 4, 2. Here 9, 5, 3, 2. Write down. So page number 20, you have 7th exercise, 7th one. So 7th question. So you have to write the number before, after or between. So here you have to write the before number of 6. So before number of 6 is 5. After number of 3 is 4. After number of 7 is 8. Then between number of 4 and 6 is 5. Here also between number you are going to write to 2 and 4. Between number is 3. Before number of 8 is 7. After number of 1 is 2. Before number of 9 is 8. Between number of 5 and 7 is 6. Okay. Now you are going to, in this, you are going to join the dots. Okay. Join the dots 1 to 9 to complete the picture and color them. So from here you can see 1 is given to you, isn't it? So just go smoothly with your pencil. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join it properly. Then you have number 7. Go for number 7 like this. From here to down. Okay. Now from here to 8. From here to 9. Okay. Now see. Here to 7. Here to 8. Here to 9. So you have got a small baby elephant over here. So you can color the elephant nicely. Now again you can see a pussycat. So again you have to go for 1. Number 1. Join it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So everything is, all the numbers are joined. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Color the pussycat and show it to your teacher. Okay, so with this we have completed our first chapter.